Are you looking for the best DEERC RC car? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best DEERC RC car on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. DEERC 9201E Truck. The DEERC 9201E is a 110 scale large remote control truck designed for both adults and kids who love off-road adventures. This fast short course RC car boasts a powerful 4x4 drivetrain and can reach speeds up to 48 km per hour, delivering thrilling performance on a variety of terrains. Equipped with bright lights for enhanced visibility and realism, the truck comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing extended playtime and uninterrupted fun. Built with hobby-grade components, the DEERC 9201E offers durability, responsive handling, and is an excellent choice for those looking for an exciting and reliable electric monster crawler. Number 2. DEERC Brushless RC Cars. The DEERC 300E high-speed monster truck is a powerful 1/18 scale 4x4 remote control car capable of reaching speeds up to 60 km per hour, 35 plus miles per hour. Equipped with a robust 2440 waterproof brushless motor and a 25A brushless escape, it offers enhanced speed, durability, and energy efficiency, lasting 2 to 3 times longer than traditional brushed motors while consuming only a third of the power. This RC truck features independent suspensions and a nylon chassis for superb off-road performance and collision protection, making it ideal for tackling sand, mud, stones, and rugged terrain. It comes with 2 high-capacity 7.4V 1200 mAh LiPo batteries providing up to 40 minutes of total runtime, plus an extra red shell for customization. The 2.4 GHz pistol grip transmitter delivers precise, proportional control with a range of up to 328 feet and supports up to 12 vehicles racing simultaneously without interference. Fully assembled and ready to run out of the box, the DEERC 300E is perfect for hobbyists and RC enthusiasts of all levels seeking thrilling indoor and outdoor racing fun with family and friends. Number 3. DEERC 116 Trucks. The DEERC remote control car is a high-speed 1/16 scale 4WD off-road monster truck designed for both kids and adults. It can reach speeds up to 40 km per hour, delivering thrilling performance across various terrains with excellent stability and control. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz remote system, it allows precise and interference-free operation, making it easy to race with friends. The truck comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing extended playtime for non-stop fun. Durable and versatile, this all-terrain RC car is a perfect toy for outdoor adventures and exciting racing experiences. Number 4. DEERC 9206E RC Cars. The DEERC 9206E DIY Extra Shell is a 110 scale large RC car designed for adults and boys who crave high-speed, all-terrain adventure. This hobby-grade remote control truck reaches speeds of over 48 km per hour and features a powerful 4WD system for excellent off-road performance. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz transmitter, it offers precise control and supports interference-free racing. The package includes 2 rechargeable batteries, providing more than 40 minutes of continuous playtime. Plus, the DIY Extra Shell adds a customizable element, enhancing both protection and style for endless fun on any terrain. Number 5. DEERC DE36W RC Car. This 1/16 scale RC truck offers an immersive FPV driving experience with its 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera and first-person view transmission, allowing you to capture clear photos and videos from your phone app. The adjustable 45 degrees camera angle broadens your shooting range, perfect for preserving fun moments with family and friends. Featuring dual control modes, you can drive the truck either with a 2.4 GHz radio remote, with a range up to 165 feet, for racing with friends, or via a mobile phone app using Wi-Fi control, up to 100 feet, enabling hands-free operation and easy sharing on social media. Powered by 2 upgraded 7.4V 1000 mAh Li-ion batteries, each providing 25 to 30 minutes of playtime, this truck reaches speeds of 15 to 20 km per hour with its dual motors. Designed for durability, it includes advanced anti-skid tires, shock absorbers, and anti-collision beams, supporting rough terrains and unexpected drops. With realistic full-scale 1/16 dimensions, it's perfect for driving on roads, highways, sand, and mud. Easy to use indoors or outdoors, this high-performance RC crawler makes a fantastic gift for kids and adults alike, ideal for parties, picnics, hikes, and travel adventures.